Hurry before it's gone. 4-bedroom 2-bath home on approx. 0.24 acre lot, centrally located off Highway 60. Home sits in a beautiful quiet neighborhood. Home features open floor plan with vaulted ceilings, spacious kitchen with island and split bedroom plan, ceramic tile, shed, and 11'X23 screened rear porch. All information, measurements and sizes are deemed to be accurate but not guaranteed. Any information contained herein that is critical to buyers' purchasing decisions, must be verified by the buyers. Sold as is.